Good afternoon. This is Kay with Around the House with Kay and Tom. Today I'm going to make some holiday potato salad. What you'll need is I'm going to do 2 boiled eggs. I'm going to dice up some potatoes, just some potatoes, russet potatoes. We're going to use onion. We're going to use green pepper, red pepper. Then I'm going to put my pickles in it. And you've got your mayonnaise and your mustard. So the first thing we need to do is boil two eggs. And you boil them for 13 minutes. That way they'll peel real easy. I'm going to dice up my potatoes and let them be cooking at the same time. So I'll be back in just a few moments. Okay, I have my potatoes on cooking. And while they are cooking, my eggs have got done, so I'm going to peel my eggs and get everything cut up and ready for it, so when the potatoes get done, everything will be done. Okay, I'm just peeling these potatoes and dicing them up. We're going to cook them until they're tender, and then we'll be through with the potatoes. Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe. Give me your comments. Hope everybody's ready for Christmas. This is also a good potato salad for the 4th of July because you have the red and green. Okay, I have my potatoes ready. Now I'm just going to put some water on them and let them cook. Okay, I think my potatoes have cooled just a little bit. So we're going to get everything put together. Have the eggs, 2 eggs. Pickles. Onions. Red peppers. Sweet red peppers. And green peppers. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little salt and pepper on everything. And give everything a little stir. Get everything stirred up. See, the green and red peppers just make it look holiday. We add our mayonnaise. And I don't have how much mayonnaise. I just put it in there till when I stir it all together that it looks as wet as I want it to. I really don't measure that out. And I just put just a little bit of mustard, not much. And then we're going to just stir everything together. Try to keep it in the bowl. I can assure you that wasn't enough mayonnaise. That may be right there. I like to do this and call it holiday potato salad because I try to make it the colors, the red and the green. Just going to put more pepper on it. Okay, there we have some holiday potato salad. It's got, you see the red in it and the green. And it makes a pretty dish. Very tasty. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe. Give me your comments. And come back to